Fideuá is a noodle-based paella, but instead of using seafood or meat, in this version we're using roasted seasonal vegetables, and this hearty dish is finished with a drizzle of Hellmann's lime mayo. Start by roasting the vegetables at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until lightly golden. In the meantime, mix the noor base with the tomatoes. Now you're ready to start your Fideuá. Heat a 16-inch paella pan or a wide non-stick pan. Add the butter and the olive oil together and wait till the sizzling sound dies. Add the Fideuá's pasta and cook over moderately high heat, stirring constantly for about 1 minute. Stir in the shallots and the garlic and saute, mixing well until noodles are golden brown. Stir enough of the vegetable tomato stock mixture and the turmeric. Cover and cook for about 3 minutes. For the lime aioli, make a paste from the garlic and the lime zest. Add it to the Hellmann's mayonnaise. Add in the lime juice and mix well. Place in a squeeze bowl and set aside. Add the remaining stock, cover, and cook until the Fideuás are al dente, about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the turmeric and season with salt and pepper. Mix in roasted vegetables and cook for 1 to 2 more minutes until vegetables are heated and bottom starts to crisp. Serve in paella pan with a drizzle of the garlic lime aioli. So here is our finished roasted vegetable Fideuá with Hellmann's lime aioli.